On the evening of 4th August 2020, a series of explosions occurred in the city of Beirut, the capital of the Lebanon. The extremely powerful main blast at the port of the Beirut, which was preceded by a fire, at least 157 people dead, at least 80 more missing and more than 5,000 injured. 3 lakh people were left homeless by the explosion. The government declared a 2-week state of emergency. Officials said they expecting families and friends. The exact cause of Tuesday blast was not clear, but Lebanon's